Yo, it's your boy YG. Welcome back to Apprentice to Free, where I'm here to show you my journey to financial freedom, to show you that it's possible to live the life that you want. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I replace some wood siding from the side of my property. But as always, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Alright, so I already replaced some siding and some trim from the house, and I didn't really record the process of how I did it, but I'm going to show you what it looks like right here.
So right here is where I placed some siding and the trim. Right now, show you how to replace these bottom two pieces because they're both rotten. First thing to do, take off, unscrew the wires attached, and then just yank out the sides. There's some nails in them. Just pull the nails out and the wood will come right out.
So as you can see, on the other side of that door in there where the HVAC condenser was, those are the two planks that I'm gonna be replacing in this video. And there's also a section above that second plank that I'll be replacing too. So the first thing I had to do was unscrew the little screws that held the wire to the house. Pretty simple. But then basically you take a pry bar up under the shingle, pop it out, because they're all nailed in, like they're fastened with nails. They're just nailed into the side of the house. So you just got to pull them out. And that's really it. It's kind of simple. So I removed the bottom two planks. There was a lot of wood rot and I can't really see the damage until I get inside. Directly on the other side of that wall is where the kitchen vanities are, or kitchen cabinets and the sink and stuff. And that sink has been having a leak. So there's a lot of wood rot and everything that the home inspector found. So I won't be able to really see what's going on until I get in there, remove all the cabinets and stuff, and then pull up the floor.
So I took the bottom two planks off. There's a lot of rotten wood in here. It's pretty freaking gross. That's the kitchen. There's a lot of wood rot in the kitchen. That piece is good. So once the tenants move out, I'm gonna have to get in there, try to see what I can fix. But pretty nasty. So now I'm gonna just put the two new planks on there, nail them in. Let's get it. Whole lot of dead wood up in here, and I think that's the inside to the kitchen that I can see. This is really bad. Honestly, I don't even know. I think that's a stud. God damn it. Ugh. I don't even know how to fix it. Now I'm gonna just put the planks on there and worry about it when they move out.
I just scraped out all the rotten wood and threw it in the garbage. So there's like a little hole, I guess, or a gap where the wood is supposed to be. But basically I just put the new boards over top of that, hold it up against the wall, make sure it's straight, nail it in, and that's it.
Put the two boards on there, caulk them up right here, and a little bit of this, the third board came off, so there's a gap. So I'm gonna come back another day and replace like a section of it because it's starting to rain. And then once I have that replaced, caulk it up, paint it, move on to the next piece. But that's basically how you replace your siding.
Caulk is like my best friend because I use it for everything because I'm paranoid. So I just wanted to seal the seam so water didn't get in there. But in the process of removing that second board, I kind of broke off some of the third one. So I came back in a couple weeks because it started to rain. It was raining a lot, and then I also had to work and stuff. But I came back in a couple weeks and I just cut that little section out and replaced it. So this is what that looks like.
Off a piece of that one board that was kind of messed up. About to nail in a new little section and get it painted.
So next, I held the new board up there, nailed it in, and then I just put my first layer of primer over all the new siding.
Boards are set in there. Time to paint. Got that first layer of primer on. Gonna let it dry. Get that layer number 2. But damn, that shit look good.
After I put on the first layer of primer and that layer dried out, I put on primer layer number 2 and it looked pretty good. And then after that layer of primer dried, I attached the wire back to the house. And in the process, I moved the little disconnect for the condenser and I heard a poof and it turned off. So I thought I blew a fuse, but I didn't.
Finished product. Bam. I think I just blew the fuse on the HVAC because I moved it a little bit and I heard a poof. My dumbass fucked that one up. Nice job, Yusef. Fucking shit up.
And that is how I replaced my siding. I came back the next day, fixed the disconnector box, the AC is back and working, and I'll show you a video about what happened with that and what I did to fix it. But that's the video. If you have any questions or anything you want me to go more in depth about, let me know in the comments below. But as always, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up so YouTube shares this video with more people. I'm out. Peace.